Hello friends, today we are learning 6th standard maths, 6th chapter, that is integers. In this chapter we are seeing the exercise. And in previous classes we seen the explanation of integers. What are the integers? Integers one type of a numbers. A number, integers means a numbers in that which all the negative, zero and positive. All number together means it's called an integer. As we see natural number. Natural numbers are start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. are called the natural number. Whole numbers start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. are called the whole numbers. And now we are saying the integers. Integer means what? All negative numbers, 0 and positive number. All together means this is called the integer. And most integers we will show on a number line. Now one by one we will see now what is the integers and why the integers are important for us. Why not only the natural numbers and whole numbers important? Why now integers are important? When you have to read the number, so you always read the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. You never read the number -5, -10, -20, -100, something, the numbers which are in a minus. So minus numbers are also important. Why minus numbers are important? As you go up, the numbers become a plus. As you come down, the numbers become a minus. As you go right, the numbers become a plus. As you go left, the numbers become a what? Minus. So when you go right side, every number is increasing. And when you come back side, left side, the number is decreasing. So these integers we will see today. Now let's see on the board exercise number 6.1. Here, 6th chapter mathematics, integers of 6th standard NCERT textbook, exercise number 6.1. Write opposite of the following. So integers helpful for to find the opposite of any number. So here is given first one, increase in weight. Increase in weight, opposite of increase in what? Decrease. So the answer is decrease in weight. Second one, 30 kilometer north. If you are 30 kilometer north, so what is opposite of 30 kilometer south? 30 kilometer south. Next, 326 BC. BC means before Christ. And AD means Anno Domini. So 326 BC, opposite of 326 BC, 326 AD. Maybe you confuse what is BC and what is AD. So before Christ and Anno Domini. This is the difference. Before Christ era and after Christ era, Anno Domini. Next one, loss of rupees 700. Loss opposite is what? Profit of rupees 700. These are the opposite numbers. Now next, 100 meter above the sea level. 100 meter above the sea level. So 100 meter below the sea level. 100 meter below the sea level. So here what we did, knowingly or unknowingly, we use here negative numbers. Whatever the negative numbers, above, below is a negative number. Less, more. And what is here given? BCAE, loss, profit. So these are knowingly or unknowingly all are the integers numbers. Next question we will see. Now this is the second question. The question is represent the following numbers as integers with appropriate sign. Now you have to write the numbers with appropriate sign. Appropriate means minus or plus. Appropriate means what? Minus or plus sign you have to show. Here is given an aeroplane is flying at a height 2000 meter above the ground. Now whenever you use above the ground, it will be show a plus sign, and below the ground it will be show the minus sign. So here flying height of 2000 meters. So what you have to show? You have to show 2000 meters. Sorry, here it is written only 200. 10 is missing here. So it is 2000 plus 2000 plus 2000 meters. Next, a submarine is moving at the depth of 8000 meters below the sea level. Again, we are using here below the sea level. Below means what? Minus. What minus you have to use here? A submarine moving at the depth 8000 meters. So you have to show minus 8000. Again, sorry, here is given 800 meters. Again, it should be 8000. 10 is missing there. Next, a deposit of rupees 200. Now, you deposited rupees in the bank. It means you save your amount. You save your amount. You collected your amount in the bank. Save means what? Plus. So plus 200 rupees. Withdrawal of rupees 700. Now withdrawal means what happened? You taken out the money from the bank. So what happened? Whatever you were saving amount, out of that you taken out, it means it minus. So here withdrawal of rupees 700, so minus 700. So this is called deposited, withdrawal, above and below. Next question, question number 3. Now question number 3, represent the following numbers on a number line. This number you have to show on a number line. Number line, as we earlier discussed, number line means a line. Origin point is 0, 0 right side plus number, 0 left side minus number. 0 right side, 0 is the starting number, 0 right side all plus number and 0 left side minus number. Plus 8, plus 5. Where is the plus 5? Here is the plus 5. Okay? Next, minus 10. Again draw the number line. 0, 0 right side plus number, 0 left side minus number. Write the numbers and 10 here. Circle the minus 10 or circle the minus 5. Minus 10 is here. Now plus 8. Now see question plus 8. Number line 0, right side plus, left side minus. Write the 8 and circle the 8. Next minus 1. Draw the number line. 0 is the middle point. 0 right side plus and 0 left side minus. Minus 1. Circle the minus 1. Next minus 6. Draw the number line. 0 right side plus number. 0 left side minus numbers. Minus 6. Now next question, question number 4. Now here, in your textbook, the question is given adjacent figure means this figure, adjacent figure, a figure which is side, that is what adjacent side. As we say, adjacent angle, adjacent sides. So this is adjacent figure. Adjacent figure, vertical number, numbers are written in the vertical number line representing the integers. All numbers are there. Minus and plus numbers are there. That's why they are using the integers. Represent the integers. Observe it and locate the following point. Now you know this is what? 0. This is what? 0. Above the 0 what number? Plus number. And below the 0 minus number. Always above numbers are plus, below numbers are 0. Below numbers are minus. And origin point is always 0. 0 is the origin point, starting point. So this is starting point above plus number, starting point below minus number. Now you have to represent. It is 0, so it became plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7, plus 8. Now this is 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10. So in this way you have to calculate. So first they are asking if a point B is plus 8. If a point is plus 8, then which is point minus 8? Now where is the minus 8? From here, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. So F is a minus 8. F is a minus 8. Next, is point G a negative integer or a positive integer? G is a negative or positive? It is a negative. Why? It is below the 0. So it is a negative integer. It is a negative number. Next, write integer part for point B and E. B which number and E which number? Where is the E? Here is E. So B what number? 1, 2, 3, 4. B is plus 4. B is plus 4 because it is above the 0. And E minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10. So E is what? Minus 10, which is below. Next, which point marked on this number line as the least value? Now here, if you see which number is the least value. Least value, all the plus numbers are bigger. All the plus numbers are bigger and minus numbers are smaller. And in minus number, smaller number became a bigger. Please, in minus numbers, smaller number became a bigger. Like minus 1 is the biggest negative number. Minus 1 is the biggest negative number. And in minus we cannot say which is the smallest number. Okay. 0 is bigger than the minus 1. Minus 1 is bigger than the minus 2. Minus 2 is bigger than the minus 3. In this way, So, which is the least number here? E is the least number because it is shown here -10. So, -10 is the smallest one here on this number line. So, E is the smallest one. Arrange all the points in decreasing order of value. Decreasing order means what? Smaller to bigger or bigger to smaller? You have to put that in decreasing order. Decreasing order means bigger to smaller. Decreasing, first big, small, 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 small. It is called decreasing order. Increasing order means smaller to bigger. If you put decreasing order, these are the decreasing order. D, C, B, A, H, G, F, E. Bigger to smaller. D, C, B, A, O means 0. H, G, F, E. Next question. Now this is question number 5. What we have to do? Following is the list of temperature of 5 places in India on a particular day of the year. This is the temperature of 5 places of India. These are the places: Saichi, Shimla, Ahmedabad, Delhi, Srinagar. These are the names of Indian cities, and these are the temperature which is taken on any one day of the year. Now here Saichi is shown here 10 degree Celsius below 0 degree. Now 0 degree below means what? -10 degree. So you have to write here -10 degree. -10 degree Celsius. Shimla 2 degree Celsius below 0 degree. Again below 0 degree. -2 degree Celsius. Ahmedabad 30 degree Celsius above the 0 degree. Above means plus 30 degree Celsius. Now Delhi 20 degree Celsius above the 0 degree. Above the 0 degree means plus 20 degree Celsius. Now Srinagar 5 degree Celsius below the 0 degree. Below means minus 5 degree Celsius. Now that answers I will show you on the next page. Saichi -10, Shimla -2, Ahmedabad +30, Delhi +20, and Srinagar -5 degrees Celsius. Now also the question number A, write the temperature of these places in the form of integer in the blank column as written in a blank column. That was over. Now following is the number line representing the temperature in degrees Celsius. This is a number line. 0 is the origin. Right side all plus number, left side all minus number. Here I taken 5 number 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and here -5, -10, -15, -20, -30. On number line we take. Now what you have to show? Plot the name of the city against the temperature. Now -10 is Saichi. Where is the -10? Here you have to show the Saichi -10. Next Shimla -2. Here is 0, here is 5. -1, -2. Here you have to show Shimla -2 on this line. Next Ahmedabad +30. Here you have to show Ahmedabad. Delhi +20. Here you have to show Delhi. Next Srinagar -5. Here you have to show Srinagar -5. That I will show you now on a number line. Now this is a number line. Already I have shown here. Shimla on a 2, Srinagar on a 5, Saichi -10, Delhi +20, Ahmednagar +30. Okay dear. Next question number 6. In each of the following page, which number is to the right of the other on the number line? So you have to show in these two number on a number line which number is right side. First you have shown 2 and 9. So 9 comes right of the 2 because first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 is the right of 2. 9 is the right of 2. Next -3 and -8. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8. So -8 is left and -3 is right. So here we become -3 is right to the 8 because 8 comes on a -8. Now next 0 and -1. 0 comes on a right. 0 is the right of -1. And here -11 and 10. 10 is there, plus and minus is here 11. So 10 is to the right of 11. Next -6 plus 6. So plus 6 is right on the -6. And 1 and -100. 1 is the right of -100. Next question. Now next question. Question number 7. What is the question number 7? Write all the integers between the given pairs. Write them in an increasing order. Now you have to write this in increasing order. So what you have to do? 0 and minus 7. Write all these numbers in increasing order. So first you have to write between numbers. Between means the numbers which come between 0 and 7, minus 7. You cannot write 0 and you cannot write minus 7. So increasing order. First minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. This is increasing order. Next, minus 4 and 4. So minus 3 to 3. So minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Next, minus 8 and minus 15. So first we have to write minus 14. Minus 14, minus 13, minus 12, minus 11, minus 10, minus 9. It is increasing order. Next, minus 30 and minus 23. Minus 29, minus 28, minus 27, minus 26, minus 25, minus 24. So we written a number in increasing order. As I said that smaller minus number is a bigger number. So between numbers we written here. Now next, question number 8. Write 4 negative integers greater than minus 20. Write 4 integers which is greater than minus 20. So which are they? Minus 19, minus 18, minus 17, minus 10, minus 5, minus 2, minus 1. Anything you can write here. Write 4 negative integer less than minus 10. Now 4 negative integer less than minus 10. So minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, minus 20, minus 50, minus 100. What you can write? No problem. Next. Question number 9. Question number 9. For the following statement, write true or false. If the statement is false, correct the statement. You have to write true or false. If it is a false, you have to correct it. Now, minus 8 is to the right of minus 10 on a number line. Minus 10 is left side and minus 8 is, minus 10 is left side, right? Minus 8 is right of the 10. So it is true or false? It is true. So you have to write that true. Next. Minus 100 is the right of minus 50 on the number line. It is a false. Minus 100 will become there, 50 here come because minus 50 is the bigger. So it is a false. So what you have to write? Minus 100 is the right of minus 50. No. Minus 100 is the left of minus 50. You have to write there. Next. Smallest negative integer is minus 1. No. Minus 1 is the greatest negative integers. Next. Minus 26 is the larger than minus 25. No. Minus 26 is the smaller than minus 25. Now here the reasons are given below. This is the reason. On a number line, everything is shown here. Now this is the last question of this exercise. This is the question number 10. Sorry, we will go to the question number 10 first. We will read the question number 10. What is the question number 10? What we have to do? Draw a number line. Answer the following. You have to draw the number line. Draw a number line will reach if we move 4 numbers to the right of. That number is missing. I will show you afterwards. Which number will we reach if we move 5 numbers to the left of 1? If we are at minus 8 on the number line, in which direction should we move to the reach? To minus 13. Next, if we are at minus 6 on the number line, in which direction should we move to reach? Minus 1. So if you go the answers. Now, here it is minus 2. If you want to reach on minus 2, you have to go on right side. And how many digits you have to walk? 1, 2, 3, 4 digits you have to walk. You have to step 4 steps, so you will reach on a 2. B question. If you are on 1 and you want to reach minus 4, so how many steps you have to move? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps you have to move, and you have to move your left side direction. Next, which number you have to move? You have to left side you have to move. And here on right side you have to move. C question and D question. So this is what the answers. This is answers of exercise number 6.1 all the exercise number 6.1 answers are over. In next class, we will see exercise number 6.2 and 6.3 together. Please see the video very carefully. Wherever you are confused, you are not understand, just revise the video and again replay. Slowly you understand this, what is integers and where we have to use the integers. So thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Thank you very much.